This video is all about the Nulea Wireless Ergonomic Keyboard. I'm a professional programmer by trade and I use Windows OS, just as a caveat. There's a lot to like about this keyboard and not very much to dislike. The keys are set up well, just the right spread and feel. The keys are also concave and fit the fingers well. The ergonomic split is designed fairly well. The keyboard has a slant option and the wrist supports are really soft and comfy. The weight of the keyboard seems light enough to travel with, and the battery is rechargeable, which I will see how long it lasts. I highly recommend, if you type all day, to invest in an ergonomical split keyboard, as it doesn't pinch your ulnar nerves in your wrists and lets you type a lot longer, I've noticed. Another nice feature that I like about this keyboard is that it can establish connections with up to 3 devices, and you can switch between them just by pressing a button. There's also 7 color options depending on your preferences, such as blue, green, red, cyan, purple, yellow, white. I think the backlit design is important in any programmer setup.